You got the good leg first.
Good leg first.
Then the evil leg. Alright, stay tight, you got it. A little meditation down there.
Okay.
And up.
Alright.
Alright, so the right leg just told the left leg how to do it.
Left leg's trying to tell me to fuck off, that's fine.
You just stay tight, you got it. Stay with it. And you're up. Hey! Take that, and that was her bad knee.
And I'm just going to say, this is for Amy and for Nick. I couldn't even balance on one leg, even on my good leg.
Even on a good leg.
I'm not coordinated. And they laughed at me, and I cried, okay?
Okay, that's a slight exaggeration.
It is not. I couldn't do a one-legged RDL like this without falling over.
That's true.
And they made fun of me, and I cried. Okay? So
She did not actually.
there.